So this is how you can delete Trello. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Trello. Today you will learn how to delete things. So let's go ahead and make a new board just by tapping on this, and then I'm just gonna title it Hi. So once we start, I'm gonna add a list called number one and a card. Now, how do we delete this card? Let's go ahead and tap on right click and then archive. And now for the list, you're going to want to go to the three dots and then tap on archive this list. Now, you didn't actually delete them, you just archived them, and this is how you can permanently delete them. Go to your three dots and then tap on archived items. And then as you can see, this is the card that we deleted, and then tap on delete. All actions will be removed from the activity feed and you won't be able to reopen the card. There is no undo. So go ahead and tap on delete. And there we go, the card has been deleted. Now, how do we delete this whole board? Go back to the arrow like so, or just go ahead and X and then tap on the three dots again, and then scroll down to close board. Go ahead and close it, and just like the list and the card, it's not yet permanently closed. So what we're gonna go and do is go to Trello at the top left, and then scroll down, and then find View All Closed Boards. Go ahead and tap on it, and then delete it. As you can see, I have many different boards that I haven't deleted, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do one of them. Tap on delete, and there we go. That part is removed now. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.